I represent the best clients in Southern Arizona. My name is Matthew Jeschke. I'm a real estate broker with over a decade of professional experience, and this is my client's home. Welcome to 4841 North Placita Santolina. This is the ultimate opportunity. The home was fully reconstructed with the absolute best quality materials available. The finishes are left undone for you to choose. That makes this the ultimate opportunity, as home builders are cutting corners to save on materials, and their build times exceed 9 months. Here you can move in within a few weeks, have the best quality home possible, and choose your own finishes. Make 4841 North Placita Santolina uniquely yours today with your choice of finishes. Again, my name's Matthew Jeschke, and there's nobody better represented than my clients in the markets. If you know somebody, let me know and I stand corrected. Most importantly, when you're getting ready to move, give me a call.